In response to my video about Dave Ramsey's car buying advice, I posted this poll. If you were down to your last $1,000 and needed reliable transportation, what are you buying? With nearly 400 votes, the results were split evenly. You guys decided that you either get a Honda or a Toyota. I've been looking for a shop car, something to wrap, something maybe to do a custom build with, just something for the channel to always work on. And I took the results from that poll, and what did I buy? A 2000 BMW 323i. Now I know what you're thinking. It doesn't matter how cheap it was. That is not a reliable car. BMWs are not reliable. Lucas, what the hell is wrong with you? Why would you buy that? And I have to preface this by saying, I am not a BMW guy. I like Mercedes personally, except for the E46. I think this is one of the best looking cars ever made. Not this specific one, but the M3 E46, in my opinion, is one of the best looking cars of all time. Like, it's not even close. I was joking with Marilyn, my friends too, that even if one had no engine, I would probably buy it if I had the money, just as a shell, just to park it, to look at it. It is a piece of art. I think it's just a beautiful car. I think my love for the E46, it might go all the way back to when I was a kid, because there was a guy on our street who had an M3, and it was that teal, that turquoise color. Again, I don't know the name of that color code, but one of my favorite colors too. Every time this M3 would drive by, I would stop whatever I was doing, playing road hockey, shooting a basketball, whatever I was doing, I would stop and watch this car drive by. It sounded amazing. It looked amazing. It had really nice polished wheels on it. I mean, just, it was a head turner every single time. I never got tired of looking at that car, and that's why I think I like this one so much. But Lucas, why buy one that's in such rough shape? You saw that there's dents over there, there's rust here, there's rust on the back too. Why buy this one? And that's because this car used to belong to Marilyn's grandfather, who has now passed away. So there's a lot of sentimental value here. And I would love to bring it back to its original condition, off the factory floor, what it looked like, how it drove. That would be really cool, I think. Or we can make it even better. But before we talk about that, let's check it out. Let's check out the interior first. Look at this. Look, like the leather is still in great condition. Everything looks really good. A little dirty, but just needs a vacuum. Look at the leather. No rips anywhere. Look at this. Super clean. Steering wheel still really nice, not too faded. Got Apple CarPlay, that's a little upgrade. The back seats are in great shape too. For the interior, the only thing I can find wrong with it is stuff like this. I mean, that's probably the worst spot, but it's little, you know, fits and finishes like this. Nothing major. So how is it mechanically? Let's see. Oh, we got ice cold AC. Check the mileage here. 226,000. Really not that bad at all. The check engine light's on right now just because it has auxiliary power, but there is no check engine light when I'm driving. However, it's very underpowered. I read that might be because of the ABS, but again, I don't know. Obviously, it's got some oil leaks because it is a BMW. And then on the exterior, we have dents right here. This is barely hanging on. We got some more rust and dents right here, and even more rust right here on the rear quarter. Despite all of that, I still love this car. But here's the question. What should we do with it? I obviously have my own ideas for what I want to do to this car, but I want to hear from you guys. What do you think we should do with it to make it a cool project? And for the BMW crowd, what types of deferred maintenance, like what maintenance items should I get done right away? And then for the future, what should I be looking at getting done ASAP, just to make sure this car is running really nice? In any case, I'm really excited about this car. Maybe you BMW guys can convert me away from Mercedes. Maybe, I don't know. But if any car can do it, this one definitely can. So let me know what we should do with this car. Let me know if you like E46s in the first place. And as always, thanks for watching.